Okay, so I was asked to do a little tribute to Mr. Barry Hawkins here, so and explain why or how and why he impacted my life. First off, let me start off by saying that Barry is the man. Barry Hawkins is the man. Um, First off, that's why how he impacted my life by just being the man. Secondly, I have two very good jobs on this campus. One as an orientation leader, well now orientation coordinator, and as an RA. I remember Barry from SOAR when I came freshman at UNCG, and when I applied the next year, he put in a good word for me. And now I'm at the top as far as student positions, so I really, really thank him for that one. And two, I'm an RA. So two of my most influential jobs, I ordered this guy right here. But being an RA and have Barry be my supervisor, I got to know him a lot better, and we've had long conversations, a whole bunch of moments where we've laughed and just laughed and laughed. And Barry's just a really great person. I've taken away some of his thoughts about life, some of his ways that he handles certain issues, which I handle them the same way he does now, simply because I watched him and he really impacted me for the greater. Um, Definitely a good guy. I'm definitely gonna miss him. Much love, love you, Barry.